Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 500. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're looking for a way to reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 here, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could do. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to look for the following buttons. It's going to be the power button as well as the mode button that you see here underneath on it. Now, you want to press and hold these two buttons together, or in this case, power button and mode button here, and you want to hold them down or keep holding them for about 15 seconds until you see the power lights start flashing. Now, in this case, this indicates that the headset has been reset. Now, in this case, once your headset is reset or once everything is reset, you could go ahead and power everything back on. Now, you can turn on the transmitter by pressing the power button and turn on the headset by holding the power button on the left ear cuff. Now, your headset and transmitter should now pair automatically. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So this one's very easy as long as you follow the steps, but you should be good. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.